In the IELTS test, you are often asked about your favourite things, but you might not have just one favourite. For example, I love cars, but I don't have one particular favourite. However, I could choose one to talk about. One of my favourite cars is the Dodge Charger. One very common mistake is to forget to make the noun plural. The easiest way to get this right is to say ziz, not is. Cars is. Cars is. And notice how the first three words are connected and how the F of is not said. One am I. One am I. We also don't say the OU bit of favourite. 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 So if we put that together, we get, one of my favourite cars is the Dodge Charger. One of my favourite cars is the Dodge Charger. With this structure, we can talk about all sorts of things. One of my favourite pastimes is martial arts.
Okay, so one, then...
Of course, the person might not know the thing or person that you're talking about. So we can use a relative clause to give more information. One of my favourite branches of linguistics is etymology.
Huh?
One of my favourite branches of linguistics is etymology.
What?
One of my favourite branches of linguistics is etymology, which is the study of the origin of words.
Oh. Okay.
That's it for today's video, but there will be another video very soon. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell. You can also follow us on Instagram and visit our website. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.